So today I'm going to show you how to change your Cash App personal information as well as your cash tag. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time and take you step by step on how exactly to do this. So once we have the app loaded up, like you can see right over here on screen, this is kind of your home and main page. So what we want to do is actually click on the top right hand icon. It's usually a circle with either a photo of you if you added one, or usually the initials for your name. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on this section right over here. And what you're going to see is actually a little bit of information already. You're going to see your name, your current cash tag, and right there, you're going to see where it says personal. So we're going to go ahead and click on personal right over here. And once we do this, it's going to show up a next section over here that has all the information that you can change. So you have your full name, you have your cash tag, and you have your personal information and your address. Obviously, I have mine all blocked off, but whatever you want to change, just go ahead and click in that section and it'll give you the opportunity to change. So if we wanted to go ahead and add or change a phone number, we got to make sure we delete the old one prior. And then if we want to change the cash tag, we just go ahead and click on cash tag. So from right over here, it's going to pop up showing your current cash tag. You can go ahead and just delete that and change it up to whatever else you want. Now keep in mind that if you are changing your cash tag, just let anybody you know that has been currently using your cash tag what your new tag is, or if you switched out your phone number or email, so that way they can make sure they send you the money properly, as those old information pieces will not work anymore. So once in this section, just go ahead and delete your current cash tag altogether, and then you can go ahead and start typing in the new cash tag that you want. So if we just kind of go ahead and put one in, it'll let you know if it's available or not. Obviously, all of these are not currently available until now. And what we can do is once something is available, just go ahead and click on the word set, and then all of a sudden you have your new cash tag available for you to go ahead and utilize. Now I want you to keep on learning more with Cash App and utilizing this function, so check out my video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.